Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit group codes within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So what I've done is I've created this project. You can see I've shot some points, I've drawn some lines, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to my group code menu by clicking on Standard Measure and then group code here. And you can see I have the default utilities group code open with a series of descriptions that aptly fit to various utilities. But what I'm going to do in the bottom left corner there is the wrench and screwdriver. If I click that, that's going to open up my group code editor. And you can see I've got a list of group codes here, all of which were on the previous screen. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to edit one of these group codes. So if I open up this road 2 lane in my active group, you can see that I've got an edge of asphalt, this FL, CL, FL, and E asphalt code associated in this group code. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit said group codes. There's a couple different things I can do. The first here is if I select this centerline one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a code right below it here. So in this list here, I'm going to select one of my codes. In this case, let's go curb gutter. And I'm going to make sure it has, at the moment, no line associated with it. And you can see that it puts it all the way at the bottom here. And if I want to change the order here, what I can do is I can use those arrows to move it up or down. And what that will do is when I'm selecting my group code, if I have a pattern set, it's going to choose that group code wherever I put it. So if I have this FLCL, FL, 31 code. If I shoot my FL code first, it's then going to go automatically to my C/L, then to my FL, then to this 31 code. And what I can do on the left is I can change the pattern. So right now it's got a right, left, right pattern. But let's say I want to only go to the right. So I want to go right, right, right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select that middle pattern, and obviously I can also go to the left. I'm now going to go and switch that back so it's back on that left, right, left pattern as I find it a bit easier to use in the field. And what I can do is if I hit that save all to defaults, it will save this group code edit to all future projects inside of FieldGenius. So if I hit that green check mark, it's going to bring me back to my map screen. And you can see right now I have that 31 code selected on the group code. So it's automatically set to that. So I can begin to survey with this newly edited group code. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use FieldGenius to quickly edit the group codes of a project. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.